Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, but today's video is going to be a hair video. So for all my ladies who are wanting to know how I install my hair and how I just handle my hair fresh out the box, this video is for you. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this hair. I did a little dye and a little front, a little something different, you know. This hair was sent to me by Megalook hair, so shout out to y'all. But yeah, so if you guys want to see how I styled it and did everything with the hair, then keep on watching, baby. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, click that bell so you're notified every single time I post a new video. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. They are all Dominique Alasia. Why not, baby? It's free, okay? So once again, shout out to Megalook for sending me this hair. So in the box, it came with like 2 edge brushes and a cap that was actually my skin tone. And this wig is 24 inches. You can see that the lace is transparent. And this wig came with the resistant band already installed, so I really did appreciate that. The hair felt so silky and thick when I got it, so I was really excited to start playing with it. Alright, hey guys, I'm just stopping you real quick just to show you guys like the kind of picture that I kind of want to do. I'm not cutting it this short, but this is definitely how I want to dye it. But we're going to use this one. Alright, so this is how it looked fresh out the box. I just put the wig on the head, and you see these knots? They gotta go. I had to actually bleach them twice for a good like 45 minutes each. So now this is where I start plucking away. I'm just going to start plucking my hairline to the best of my ability. And I'm just going to start in the front and really just focus on this. This is really time consuming. It took me at least like a good hour just to get it the way I liked it.
What we do here is go back.
I decided to do the outro talking because I wanted to give you guys my final thoughts. I really love this hair. I love how the dye turned out. It dyed really good. This hair is really thick. I cut it, so I just cut like the ends. It is 24 inches, but I cut it so it's probably, I don't know yet, like a good 20 now. I'm probably gonna do some more dyeing to it later on down the road, but this is really what I just came up with. I think it looks super good. Like, it looks super natural. I would give this hair a 9 out of 10 for sure. The knots bleached really easily. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video already. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.